Hello, welcome to my channel. In my last video, I demonstrated how you can get a domain. In this video, I will show you how you can buy your website hosting service. Even if you don't have domain yet, you can also buy domain together with web hosting. Open your browser and go to www.temster.com. In the menu bar, select hosting and click on web hosting. Scroll down and take a look at the plans. Select the plans you want. I believe if you have watched my last video, you are supposed to know how to get yourself a domain by now. If you don't have a domain, select register a new domain. If you have a domain, please select I'll use my existing domain. You can add your existing domain name and click yes. Click on continue. You can choose either monthly or annual subscription plan. If you have any coupon code, you could apply it here. Click on checkout and complete your order by making payment. It's that simple. When you complete your order successfully, you receive email about your order and the login details you are going to use to access your web space. After buying web hosting, you need to set up DNS. This links your website's domain name to the server where your website will be stored. Your hosting provider can help you with this setup. At Temster Systems, we handle this step for you. It can take up to 48 hours for DNS to fully update, meaning it may take that long for your website to be visible online. After your hosting is sorted and DNS is fully propagated, you are ready for the next step. Watch out for the next video, which is going to be about how to install WordPress on your web space. Thank you for watching.